I'm making the bacon, cheddar bacon popcorn. I'm getting sick. Look at all these cats. That's just 3 of them. 4 of them. There are more. Look at this popcorn. Popcorn, man. It smells like butt crack, but like dirty, crusty flowers. Dirty, crusty butt crack. It smells like burnt bacon mixed with cheddar popcorn. So it smells pretty bad. I'm pretty sure my hair looks insane. I don't know, I'll see you later. Dude, that smells awful! Holy crap! There's the floor. There's a towel because the fridge drips water. I'm bored. There's people. Stuff on the fridge. My Quidditch club thing. Pretty sure my popcorn is burnt. This is probably disgusting. It smells like butt. It's called JD's. Don't know why it's called that. But, you know, kind of let it cool off a little bit. See if I kind of open this with one hand. Wow. That is steamy. I don't get why there's multi-grain Pringles. It just doesn't make sense to me. Open sesame seed chicken. You know what? Fuck this. I can't open it. I don't know. Alright. Put it like that. And if I fail, I fail. Videotaping. Because my phone just fell. I got this. Got this. So burnt and nasty. It doesn't even taste like bacon. That's a rip-off. That would taste awesome.